Could this napkin sketch of a cuddly woodland character capture the hearts of children and adults around the world? Let's find out how it could happen. Follow along now to discover cartoons. Are they magic? In the early stages of cartoon pre-production, writers sit around a table and pretend to work for weeks until a script is due. Then, illustrators expend most of their department budget on cutting-edge post-it note technology. The drawings they produce are assembled into storyboards, which are like cut-rate comic books that illustrate key frames of the script. When storyboarding is complete, voice actors are called in to perform precise comic improvisations.
Oh, what?
You're wrong! You're all like, that'll never happen. And then we'll get all cool and you'll be all like, whoa, and then we'll be like, in your face! And then I'll be all like, get back to work!
Grown men can actually make a living performing voices just like these. The voice recordings are then synchronized with the storyboards, resulting in an animatic, or a movie where the images don't move at all. Finally, the director will make notes on everything from the animatics to set modeling and sheet timing, during which handwritten notes are actually made with a pencil, before the whole package kicks up its heels for an intercontinental flight. A flight to sunny South Korea. A conference call helps both teams iron out technical details, like how to do the Running Man or the Cabbage Patch. Then the Korean team will do all the actual work. Dozens of artists will labor carefully to create everything between the keyframes featured in the storyboards. Then all drawings are scanned, inked, and painted before arriving at animation layout. It looks like this little birdie is ready for his close-up. After review and retakes by the Korean team, it's homeward bound for our little cartoon, where final edits and sound mixing put the finishing touches on a precocious new feat of animation.
Step off!
So now you know what we know, and we'll leave it up to you. Are cartoons magic? At Cartoon Network Studios, we like to think so.